Your human ears probably can't distinguish one dog growl from another, but a new study shows that dogs can. Researchers recorded 20 adult dogs of different breeds growling during these three situations: when playing tug-of-war, as a threatening stranger approached, and while guarding a tasty bone. Then they took 41 dogs, placed an irresistible, freshly cooked meaty bone in a bowl, and let them at it. This first clip shows a dog approaching the bone. From a hidden speaker under the table, researchers played the growl that says, "Hey, let's play." Next, they played the growl that indicates, "Go away, threatening stranger." And finally, the "Step away from the bone" growl. The hungry canines only jumped when the bone guarding growl was played, even though to the researchers, the threatening stranger growl sounded just as menacing. It's the first study indicating that dogs read growls according to contextual signals. The study has been accepted for publication in the journal Animal Behavior. For Discovery News, I'm Jorge Ribas.